a mystery box from Amazon. So today we are going to unbox it. Let's start. Let's see now what we get inside. I opened the tape so it will be easy to. What is this? Another box. What? It is a controller. That is it? Yes, that is it. Can we unbox it? One minute. And what? Okay. This is I'll take. I have a pen. This was the mystery gift from Amazon for us. It is a yellow controller. Yeah, it is yellow. Charging devices. There's a tab here. Anything else? Yes. This fine. Okay, tomorrow's video I'll show you I'll show you how to operate this and how to play this. Thank you.